In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jumpstart your online income journey using ChatGPT. Whether you're new to the scene or just looking for fresh ideas, these steps will guide you through leveraging the power of AI to find income opportunities and get started without any prior experience. First things first, let's head over to the ChatGPT platform. Open your browser and type in chat.openai.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create one by following the simple steps on the site. It's important to start a new chat session to ensure that you're working with a clean slate. Doing this helps avoid any confusion or mix-ups with previous conversations. Now that you're ready to start, we want ChatGPT to help us brainstorm some online income methods. Ask it, for instance, to list 10 realistic ways to make money online in 2025 using ChatGPT without prior experience. Make sure you request a ranking based on earning potential and how easy each method is to start. This will give you a solid overview of your options and help you identify opportunities that align with your interests and current skills. Once you've determined some potential paths, it's time to get more specific about turning these ideas into actionable plans. Use ChatGPT to create a daily action plan tailored to your goals. You might say, create a step-by-step daily action plan for making $500 a day using ChatGPT by offering freelance services like blog writing, copywriting, and social media content creation. This approach will give you a clearer vision and tangible steps to follow every day, boosting your chances of success. Next, let's prepare to showcase your skills by generating some sample content. This is crucial for attracting clients and proving what you can do. An example request to make could be, write a 600-word blog post about top 5 travel destinations in 2025 in an engaging style that I can use as a portfolio sample for freelance writing clients. By using this as part of your portfolio, you offer potential clients a taste of your writing style and capabilities. After building your portfolio, you need to draw in clients with enticing gig descriptions. Ask ChatGPT to write descriptions for platforms like Fiverr. You could say, write a professional Fiverr gig description for a service offering AI-powered blog writing with ChatGPT that attracts clients and highlights fast delivery, originality, and SEO optimization. This ensures your service stands out and appeals to those looking for quality AI-driven content. To effectively promote your services, use ChatGPT to create engaging marketing posts. Request, for example, create 5 social media posts that I can use to promote my ChatGPT content, writing services on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Make them professional, yet engaging. Posting regularly on these platforms can significantly enhance your visibility and attract more clients. Finally, save all the outputs you receive from ChatGPT and start applying them. Use the ideas, plans, and content generated to build your online presence and grow your income. This journey requires consistency and dedication, but with these tools, you're well on your way to achieving your goals. Stay proactive and adapt as you learn, and you'll see progress over time.